Our journey commences with Maundy Thursday, a day that holds immense significance in the Catholic faith. This day commemorates the Last Supper of Jesus Christ with his apostles, marking the institution of the Eucharist. Throughout the Philippines, believers partake in the Visita Iglesia, a customary practice of visiting 7 churches to reflect and pray. The day concludes with the solemn stripping of the altar, symbolizing the abandonment of Christ. As dawn breaks on Good Friday, the solemnity deepens. It's a day of fasting and abstinence, a day devoted to the commemoration of Christ's crucifixion and death. Processions featuring life-size statues depicting the Stations of the Cross weave their way through the streets, a poignant reminder of Christ's sacrifice. Then comes Black Saturday, a day of silence and waiting. The altars remain bare and the bells stay silent. It's a day of anticipation, mirroring the disciples' wait for the resurrection of Jesus. Vigils are held, and the faithful gather in prayer, awaiting the joyous dawn of Easter Sunday. Finally, Easter Sunday arrives, bringing with it an explosion of joy and celebration. It symbolizes the resurrection of Jesus Christ, a cornerstone of Christian faith. Across the Philippines, the Salubong procession is held, illustrating the meeting of the risen Christ and his mother. The day concludes with the Easter Mass, a celebration of Christ's victory over death and the promise of eternal life. To summarize, Holy Week in the Philippines is a deeply spiritual journey that moves from profound sorrow to exultant joy. It begins with Maundy Thursday, marked by reflection and the commemoration of the Last Supper. Good Friday follows, a day of mourning Christ's crucifixion. Black Saturday represents a period of waiting and anticipation, culminating in the jubilant celebration of Easter Sunday, marking Christ's resurrection. This journey through Holy Week offers a glimpse into the profound faith and devotion of the Filipino people. It's a testament to their unwavering belief and their deep-rooted traditions that have withstood the test of time. Holy Week in the Philippines is more than a religious observance. It is a testament to the enduring spirit of faith and resilience.